everyone, welcome to week 2 of the new term. I hope last week was a really good week for everyone, and I hope you remembered to say thank you lots of times. I had some children in year 3 tell me they said thank you hundreds of times. So let's see this week if you can beat your personal best and use some of those thousands of seconds to say thank you, but also to be thankful. And just pause for a minute and appreciate the people and the things around you. Now, we're still thinking about thankfulness this week. And as you might be able to tell, I am stood up in my office at school because we're going to go on a bit of a tour in a minute around school to see some of the people in school that work with us and for us to keep us safe and to keep us learning and having fun. And the first thing I want you to do is have a look around you in the room at the grown-ups that are in your room now. Have a look at them now. And just quietly where you are, say thank you, because these people work really hard to keep you learning, keep you safe and keep you having fun. So they're the first people we need to say thank you to, those people that are in your room now. Okay, so the Lord be with you. Let's go on tour. Okay, first stop on the tour is the office. This is the main office in school and our fabulous office ladies. Thank you. Now, if these office ladies weren't here working this hard, well, we'd have to close the school because these ladies put all of your names and all of your information and all the grown-ups information on the system so that we can do the register, so that we can contact parents. There are emails read and sent, letters sent. These ladies deal with all the visitors to school. And if it weren't for these ladies, you wouldn't get any lunch because we couldn't order you lunch. And there are so many other things that happen in a school office. And that means these ladies work really hard every single day. Now, at the moment, you might not see them as often as usual because of us restricting how much you move around the school. But if you do see them, make sure you say a big thank you for everything they do. So thank you, ladies. Okay, next stop on the tour is the kitchen. And we want to say thank you to our kitchen team, who are very busy, as always, in a hot kitchen, stirring, cooking, cleaning, washing, preparing all the food, the fabulous food that we eat, both the children here and the children at the infant school and all the grown-ups. And they're really busy in hot kitchens every day, making sure your meals are ready on time and having something different every day. And if I pan over to the little room here, you can see busy ordering away, making sure that all the stock is there ready to cook. Thank you, kitchen team. Okay, next stop on the tour, we are outside at the quiet zone. And here, all set up for nurture, is Mrs. Bailey. And Mrs. Bailey is here with some lovely resources and things that you can do at lunchtime if you don't want to run around on the field. Come and see Mrs. Bailey every lunchtime in the quiet area. Year 3, ask your teachers after this assembly all about nurture. Get them to talk to you about it. But we want to say a huge thank you to Mrs. Bailey for running nurture every lunchtime. Thank you, Mrs. Bailey. Right, next stop on the tour, we're still outside, as you can see, and Mr. Heath is here with this amazing Anderson shelter. So first of all, we want to say thank you to Mr. Heath for being instrumental in creating this amazing resource, and hopefully very soon all of you will get to have a closer look at it. But also we need to say thank you to Mr. Heath and the site team for all the cleaning that they're doing all the time. But especially now the extra cleaning because of the virus and making sure it keeps us all safe. And thank you for getting the school ready to be fully reopened and working throughout the summer holidays to do that. Thank you for everything you do, Mr. Heath and the site team. Thank you to the brilliant midday team for looking after us at lunchtimes. So the last stop on our tour has taken us from the midday team to the thankfulness display in the hall, and you can see on here some words from the Bible and some other reminders about being thankful and things that we are thankful for. And also around the display you will see, if you come into the hall to eat your lunch, some special prayers called grace. And these are special prayers that we use before we eat to remember how thankful we are that we have food to eat, and thankful for the people that prepare our food. Okay, so now we're back in the office, in my office, and we filmed lots of places and lots of people, but we haven't managed to film absolutely everybody. So if anyone in school is helping you at any point with something, however small, make sure you say thank you. And if you're in the hall at any point, make sure you have a look at that thankfulness display, because there are lots of reminders there about saying thank you and being thankful. But wherever you are to eat, whether you're in the classrooms at the minute or in the hall, see if you can remember to at least pause before you eat your food and feel thankful that you've got enough food to eat, and thankful for the people who've prepared it, whether that's here at school or whether parents have put your packed lunch together. And we can say a simple grace. I'm going to say a simple grace prayer now that you can say amen to at the end, and you can use this, it's really easy to remember, or you can use one of the ones in the hall if you want to. So a simple grace prayer: for food to eat and those who prepare it, for health to enjoy it and friends to share it, we thank you, Lord. Amen. So have a fantastic week. Do some really brilliant work, and if you, or when you see me around school, make sure you come and tell me about all the great things you're doing and what you are thankful for. Thanks everybody. Bye.